Hey there! Well, moving forward with our series, now that you have thought about your proposal, if there's room or not, if help somebody or not. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go to the first video of the series, and then you move it to the title. You really work it on your title. Now it's time to work on your description, because if someone it's interested on your title, if your title is great, is doing what it should be doing, now the people will move to your description. Oh, this proposal looks great. Let's go to the details. Let's read the description. Okay, and your description is where you will amaze the people that is reading about your proposal, especially of course the coordinators, the track coordinators that evaluating your talk and that will approve or not your talk. Okay, so in description I use a formula that is called AIDA, AIDA. Okay, what is that? A for attention, I for interest, D for desire, and A for action. Okay, so what is that? First, your description usually has some limits for the numbers of characters, so you really need to take care about it, to watch out about it. So let's go to the AIDA formula. So let's start with A, attention. Your text should start by bringing the attention of the person that is reading it. Okay, and how would you bring attention? For example, asking an unexpected question, or asking a very expected question, but in a very interesting way. You can bring attention by being fun, by maybe expressing some unpopular opinion. Okay, take care about it, but you can do it. Wow, what is that? You know, bring attention of the person that is reading your text, your description of your talk. Okay, of course, something related to the point, but something that will bring attention of the person that is reading, in order that this person keep reading it. Okay, don't start by just some boring information, some boring sentence, some obvious sentence, because usually people, I know what you talk about, and go on to the next. Okay, so bring attention with the beginning of your sentence, the beginning of your text. Okay, so now let's go to the I, interest. Once you got the attention, now you can work with the interest. And how will you work with the interest of the person? By using words that is related to their desires. You are still not working with the desire, but you are trying to involve that person on the subject. Okay, so by using things that are interesting for them, things that they could be, think about, for example, results that they would like to obtain from the talk. Okay, so not yet so deeper, so aggressive, but trying, like going from the sides and moving to the center. Okay, so involving the person in the subject that you are trying to offer to them. Then you move to D, desire. Here, yes, you will offer things that the person want. Okay, so for example, if you are giving a talk about giving talks, so in the A you will work with, maybe you would like to be a speaker. Would it be nice to be a great speaker, to speak in big events? And on the interest, well, what if you would join to the group of great speakers? What if your talk could be given in great events? What if you could join the same group of great speakers? So you're trying to work with the interest, and now on desire you say, yes, you can be one of them. You can have your talk approved on great events. You can be on great events. You can be a great speaker. Now, you work with the desire because the person at this point, oh yes, I can do that. I can be there. I can give that talk. I can send great talks to the events. So you really work on the desire of the person to be like that kind of like an ideal that you are working in your text. And on the last part, on action, now that you got the attention, you got the interest, you got the desire of that person, so you take that person to the action. What is the action? Your proposal for a talk. So come to my talk and learn it. Okay, so join us and let's discuss it. So come here and let's change this game. Okay, so you call that person to take some action. Okay, so and the first person that will take that action, it's the track coordinators, the track leaders. So you need to involve that people on the same process that will take, if you are lucky, the audience of the event itself. Okay, so that's AIDA. Okay, attention, interest, desire, and action. And here in the description also we have that avoid the BS alerts, avoid the BS that we work on title. Okay, so on title we talk about avoid trending, avoid the products, avoid just using buzzwords just by using them, but work on the problem and solve relation. We'll do the same on description, but with more details. Okay, here you can use more trendings or more products, but take care about it. Okay, using them wisely, still focus on the problem that they solve. So okay, so you can also you should and you have to avoid the BS here. And here you have one more point to take care about. That's be objective. Okay, be straight to the point. Okay, okay, you have more space to write, but go to the point. Okay, make your point, so the people don't think that you are trying to just spend the space and give you some kind of beautiful words and try to miss them. They are not. You will not fool them. Okay, so be objective and avoid the BS here also. Okay, so that's it for description. Use AIDA, avoid the BS, and amaze the people that will read your description. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.